Hi guys, today we'll make steamed buns or bao. These are traditionally filled with Chinese barbecue pork or red bean paste, but today we're going to make them with peanut butter, and we'll make some with hot dog filling. The key to the video is the dough, and you can make the bun with your favorite filling. Easy steamed buns begins with 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 cup of boiling water. Stir together to create little paste pellets. Next, create a little well in the center. Add in 1/3 cup of tap water and 1/2 teaspoon of yeast. Stir to create a shaggy dough, and then slowly begin to knead this in order to evenly combine all the ingredients. This should take about a minute or 2 of kneading. You're only trying to incorporate all the ingredients evenly into the dough. You're not trying to form gluten. So next, you roll this dough mass into a log and divide it into 7 equal parts. And you can use a scale if you wish to be more precise so that the buns are more equal in size. You're going to form rough balls, and then you're going to cover these with a lid or something and let them rest for 10 minutes so the dough can relax. Next, you shape and fill. You make the dough ball into a tight ball and roll it out into a circle about 2.5 to 3 inches in diameter. This is important to make a smooth surface for the bun. Try making the outside edges thinner than the center. You add the filling to the center of the dough and form a satchel with the dough. And then you form a satchel, and then you make pleats and you twist it closed. And you place the bun twist side down on a mini size cupcake liner, or you use parchment paper, and you place this into the steamer, and you repeat this process for the other buns. I use peanut butter and hot dogs just to show that any filling would work. Traditionally, these buns are made with barbecue pork or sweet bean paste. So you place all of these buns that are completed into a covered steamer, and you put this into basket into the oven with a pan of water and close the door and let it proof for 1 hour. You can use the poke test to see if the proofing is adequate. It should spring back slowly if poked and is ready. So if it is, place the steamer on a pot of water and bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat and steam the buns for 12 to 14 minutes. You remove from heat and let it cool for a minute or 2 before uncovering. And you can serve the buns warm right from the steamer. So thanks for watching. Check out cookingwithdad.net.